One of the greatest inventions in the modern world is electricity, so much so that it has become an essential part of our lives. It is impossible to imagine life without electricity. There are two primary sources of electricity, a generator and an inverter. A generator is noisy, high on maintenance, costly, and has slightly low quality of current. An inverter, on the other hand, is cost-effective, adaptive, high-performant, and much better quality of current. Just like electricity, business intelligence is an integral part of modern business now. Would you prefer a BI that is costly and may trip up when doing basic things like pivot, requires hiring specialists and still results in lower quality of foresight? Or would you want a cost-effective solution which adjusts to your requirements and expectations, is fast, yields high-quality insights, and does not require any additional skilling? Like an intelligent inverter which does the heavy lifting of adapting to technology upgrades and gives you the best insight and industry-leading foresight so you can focus on the business and not worry about hiring specialists so you can run your appliances off the inverter seamlessly. The choice is simple. Talk to us.